Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all. Also drop me a comment down below that you subscribed and I'll give you a shout out at the end of my next video. Thank you again for coming here. I have a great video for you today. We're going to talk about CCIV or Lucid Motors. The merger's coming up, a lot of big catalysts, a lot of big news are coming up about CCIV, and I wanted to share some news with you today. The reviews are starting to come in and a lot of people are starting to be able to visualize and be inside the Lucid Air Dream Edition model. Also other models out there like the Lucid Air Touring Edition. And a lot of people are saying very, very, very good things about this vehicle, and it's impressing a lot of people. Let's check it out. The article I'm going to be talking to you about today is from a technology journal. This really caught my interest and caught my surprise because people are starting to review and evaluate the Lucid motor vehicle, and they're trying to compare it to Tesla and also compare its technology and see how the vehicle does. The title of this article is, "I just rode in a car that Elon Musk should be most worried about. The Lucid Air looks like a dream, but could be Tesla's worst nightmare." So this reviewer had a chance to spend some time with CEO Peter Rawlinson last week whenever the company opened its newest studio in the meatpacking district of Manhattan. So this analyst had a chance to ride in the Lucid Air Dream, which will start being delivered in the next few weeks and does have a price tag of $161,500, and that's after the federal tax credit, which will reduce that price. This vehicle is actually $169,000, so given this incentive, it will bring down the price a little bit. And so this person was saying that there's a few things after talking to the CEO of Lucid Motors, Peter Rawlinson, that things jumped out at him. The first one was that Lucid Air will be under $70,000, and this was noted because Tesla immediately lowered the price of its entry-level Tesla Model S to match that price. Before, if you looked at the Tesla Model S, it was starting price about $79,000. Well, Tesla decreased that price by $10,000 to meet Lucid's entry level of the Lucid Air at $69,900. So it is safe to say that Lucid is catching Elon Musk's attention and Tesla's attention, as it should. So we all know that Tesla is the pioneer of all the electric vehicles and it will continue to dominate the market. However, what's very important and very big, in my opinion, is that Lucid Motors has the technology, and specifically the battery technology out there, that will create this company and have it be such a strong company. What I did not realize is that Peter Rawlinson has said a few things that have really stuck out whenever I read this article. So this company Lucid Motors isn't just focused on selling vehicles to customers, because most of us will probably not be able to afford the Lucid Air Dream, which is over $100,000, and even the entry-level Lucid Air will be $69,000, which a lot of people cannot afford. However, what really sticks out at me is that Lucid Motors is working towards making more affordable sedans in the next few years that people can afford, which is great news. It's also going to have its electric SUV, which is going to be called the Gravity. That one will be coming out in the year 2023, so just a few years away. So this article says that, more importantly, the reason Lucid should be on Elon Musk's and Tesla's radar is the company hopes to make its technology available to other manufacturers to speed the production of a greater variety of electric vehicles. So this is big news, because if Lucid Motors starts selling all of its technology to other companies, this will be great for the company as a whole. Remember, Lucid Motors is stationed in Arizona and it produces everything in-house. Lucid Motors does all of its own hardware and all of its software, which it can give to other automakers and other companies as well. That means that not only will Lucid be building its own EVs, but it also wants to help everyone else build them. So the company Lucid Motors has been around actually for quite a while. It's been making batteries and electric powertrains for more than 10 years. The company was previously Cciv, and it was making batteries and high-performance vehicles for Formula One EV racers. So it used to make race cars, and it has perfected its technology and its battery supply. It's the only production vehicle out there that has a range of more than 500 miles in one charge in its battery. And this is big news. Not even Tesla was able to come close to this. Not only to have this range in their battery, but also to have the performance as well. Remember, the Lucid Air Dream will go 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. It has over 1,000 horsepower, and it has a mile range of 503 miles. It's also very important to note that Lucid Motors executives have plenty of experience building electric cars, including Peter Rawlinson, who is the CEO of Lucid Motors. Well, he was previously the chief engineer of the Tesla Model S. And in his current role, Peter Rawlinson is taking the opportunity to fix all the mistakes he says that he made when he produced and helped make the Tesla Model S. So Lucid Motors has a lot of big, important people that are working for the company. Peter Rawlinson wasn't the only former Tesla engineer that came from Tesla. There were others that were working for Tesla in the past. Other companies such as Audi, Apple, Samsung, Intel, and General Motors have also come to Lucid Motors to improve its product. So it's hard to imagine that Elon Musk hasn't noticed that the people he has hired to build the Model S, the Model X, and a Model 3 are now working for Lucid Motors. A lot of these companies have gone to Lucid Motors and to perfect that product now, which I think will do a great deal and have its own special niche in the EV market, and in the future will be more generalized to other vehicles as well, which Lucid will be supplying their batteries, also their other technology, as Peter Rawlinson, the CEO, has mentioned. So personally, I think this is a very important article just because it highlights some big important things that Lucid Motors has on its forecast in the future. I think it's going to be a great company. I think it's going to have a wonderful battery that nobody else can touch at this time. It has a long range, but not only does it have a long range, it also has the performance. So in the future, when you see some of the companies are coming out there, for example, NIO will be producing the ET7, which supposedly will have a battery range of over 500 miles, but we have not seen any specifications yet or any performance data on this as well. But I definitely welcome all these companies to do this and to keep extending the technology for electric vehicles and to make this planet a safer and nicer planet, while also giving us the performance, the luxury to live in it. So I do definitely think that Elon Musk and Tesla are a wonderful company. I think that they will continue to grow as they have been and still be the pioneer of the EV space. I think there's a lot of room for the EV market to have great companies, and I think Lucid Motors will be one of these companies. I think that Tesla will still be around for a long time because of its technology. Remember, Tesla is a technology company, and that's why it has a valuation of over $600 billion. And I think in the next few years, I think Lucid Motors, I don't think it'll catch up to that level as Tesla, but I think it will definitely be second in command, which is great for the United States, as these are both U.S. companies. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much again for watching. Please hit that thumbs up button or the like button. It'll share this video with others. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all. If you comment down below that you subscribed, I'll give you a shout out at the end of my next video. And again, thank you so much for all your support. Have a great day. If you would like to help out the channel, down below I created 2 links. One will take you to Webull. If you deposit $100 into Webull, it'll give you 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. The other one will be to Coinbase. If you deposit $100, it'll give you $10 in cryptocurrency for trading. Thank you so much for all your support.